You know, man, I'm much impressed. As a young guy, we didn't feel party, sir. Honda say first had any wash your own see. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Now 44 say Edeme Honzana.
David, you look too young for such age. Yeah. Wash your own see.
Nyame ayade. Nyame na ayade.
Me kai. Come on, I'm network be so no. You know, interacting for the first day, no. Me am say akoi na dream do. Achapa.
Yeah, that's it. Tino ya no aba mi edi. O kwa de meto safre. Brani di 44. Kakra ka ba me gine ho say me hit the few century na wi ya na ha me.
They said yeah.
Menya kamene na ho say ya.
Unyi.
Minyi obi ka say mi je agro da me ma hwe nyi mi tini ma bo ya me wa se fita pim ka na eche.
When you. Voice is here, obi de your managers. Juma penyo die no so voice here ne de.
Nyami shira no.
Today bia obetu voice bia. Now branch here we no kasa se penyin sa no. And now what is say so when you're 44 years coming Thursday.
Oh 44. It's madam Insasa. What to be coming for say me compre you to organize a crack here maminko.
Yeah, okay 44 years. Yes up to 40.
Up to 40 intino.
Mo chairman name.
Enu na ha me no. Abranti ye do. Kamenya I can't believe it. 1977 says yeah.
Our young shirt, no, so I have found against
Love team, my brand TV or Dubai.
Okay.
Kingsford, unim no pa, my brand team, you know, not from Paul, my other colleague, you know.
Okay.
Is the one would dinner power, deep power airport. Dubai. Kingsford, or say, or I feel.
Dubai so crowd ya this almost one person mo ya no mo crowds no it to so mo baby dia mo dwen no
Kingsford we je boss looking good be a birthday no as a pabia no I just say je kakra she obotum I don't hear
pa and over good camera Dubai ya this a good one
and see dia no masisa kugo
sure yes we are here
connection man aban a o mpeso de no kure be ya adwuma yi akufo ado gold ya yes ya bandi a gold nso say na yetu ne dam eno na akofa ni nyina ba ne e ma fere ne say o sore nso na o mako holiday wo ho
Dubai
and say o ye baller so akura nso ntowum nso to once a wa mo fere ade na musuro nyame a kamukwa ni amuhunu na maba be wa ha na ha nso nkofo abedi holiday ni bi do kai bo ache jako ozo ati committee ko Dubai akoye nwie mo ko ayo ko da ho na ni kan no oba no the $700 million ko o de ko kanjumadi ni wa chedi wa hu se ho ede omo di tire eni adwene na chichire ye enti empanimfo no so no omo sua eye
Rand I na no face the country demo no I find no chance quickly and brush no na ye wi ayaba the
appointment or the membership lot in mamenchia wahefo NWT4 na menchia abusuafo monso mene me ye masem nkakra say ye do 50,000 community ye go so ye nyini kakra omonko so anyina mne ye but lofty ade bi me pese me address na no pe me family I suffer that consequences. Aware mu nsem ene bema na kum bem oba na kum bema no. It seems say as I say ye hu adwuma. Me fra sentimentam na eba ye ena no pay news. Chese nipa awuo we awe we sekan bema na kum oba na dwane. Aye eno nkwa nipa 9.
Too much.
It's becoming abnormal.
Police ni bi su die nkokos
police ni ba bi die just say ekunkum na story ni nyina we yakum we meta no young generation what is happening oba what can tell papa mo say ni kunu e de Don Simon or the Jones afra don si mo mama nanom na ne sofo se we aware senti Nyankopon so ochira aware jaye this kind of nonsense and now I want to sekan wa want to sekan mo se nyame mo se what ye the Jones afra don si mo amo oba nom Edian kroni e chichire se nyame so ochira aware jaye enti no tena ho ene be ma na won sekan
very bad
it's quite unfortunate
very bad
it's quite unfortunate ene me ba affecting me mood Emma na me hu ni amenka se ehene fa ne yakwi say no omuso eba se omuko police station na police for say enya dia ombetimi achi omu because ewo a different district mu ena oye saade no na me say different district say nipa na wu
district be na yesa
nipa na wu
very bad but all the very sad you fan to ekine into us
mami come anim na menye recommendation say ye hwene so obema bi ni oba bi ana oba bi ni bema bi omo ntama setena no ebetimi de akwa akoduru say oha beba yengu aware no for now
simple
nipa no mienu tie because mimi nua ba ne mma ewura fie na nikunu enkola nan nikunu de ka akofa omo anadwo edom dwane ko voter region nipa sa obetimi akum nipa emma oba minua ne na mo hwehwe ne ma no won kran o
no they call voter region
wode nikunu woni ne ntamatete wode nkora no ko voter region kola anketwa omo frɛ na anadwo be one minua ne da abonti because say na ne dan pono ehye nkola no botu oda abonti oba o wono wa nkola na psychologically enti no omo aban manani mra saade no ho say ye hwe na so obi na obi tia me can one of the amendment as and now me kwan ameye saade na ehye oni bi no ka wa na e de akekere yensa ne court mra na be mani ukura na ote ho oba na ukura na ote ho me mpese ye twam constitutional review no the first thing I may recommend is saade we hypocrisy.
Okay.
Fight me, Bishop.
No.
Michelle Bijao. Michelle me dear 14 years old.
Obia said your enemy.
Oh, yeah, dear.
Me suffer. And no, I was so them no cancer be no cancer. All peachy no can what they be no because make us a more heavens. Saturday no be a man sharing. I say, Adia, media mewu. And then you won't so dear womb. Ebia no dear be wunu dear womb. And one Obiane said your tear.
Obiane said your tear. Meaning, mammy comment him. Mammy brush on appointment of Kwame Sefa Kai money in Tokwa. Sorry, one cry. One says, as somewhere any dance in the chair no be near the aya dance. Metesana umranten ba kodi Abeku Santana. Example. Officially, when your appointment be.
Yes.
But Okana Bontin some mimi NDC ni.
Yeah.
That is what we want. Osi me ye NDC ni. What you say? Me NDC ni me fancy. Ye Kwame Jokoto. Osi me NDC ni. But ye in shock. Any in surprise na ye nya ye. Journalists are also on. He doesn't belong to the MPP or the NDC.
Yeah, or a neutral.
Or a neutral. Or sign tena efidie nim. Atoto MPP ni NDC for ano. NDC wa baimunom ni enimisa Kwame Sefa Kai. Ye to petrol mu 1 cedi kurampo na a topical issue e okokroko so. But me on mpanimfo se bi bia woni mre Lofty. Menye wadwene se obetimi a deceive wiase nyina forever. Me kan sembi se senior journalist o motin crime. Nana Akufo-Addo beto petrol mu a ofere omu okoforidua no omu nyina brebe so anche ana twumbu afokwaje Cocoa Board appointment nam say e boboba anche ana Paul Adomochre ekwaje appointment e wo NCA me say e boboba afei Lofty Chairman General say no na mo raise concern bi na a very good point say enka chairman kwaji NCA baby omo regulate media and media anase ministry for what do we call ministry for communication and information obi aka say we dey Hana Kwame Co University ekosua wade
One wa kwadare wo mu aye nim se ye nyina ye hwese ye besua no
afa dey Kwame so kotu petroleum because a hona scandals ne contaminated fuel no omo here proper public image to save them. And you are a big man to say Kwame Sefa kai wo side. Ozo upon chroma say assembly about one nebe analysis wo Metro TV. Ntini program ya tun di MPP hour on Metro TV. Because ono ni open wo ye no ho. Na no ne nkomu kodi bridge to concern ya ye bie jagu omo so a omo di America sa redraw omo decision omo say yes. Say the social media there edi no omo mpe bi meka ho. Omo say every keyboard warriors there be omo people from say oh dear you bet oh it lofty mama cordial relationship bi emeda mo traditional media no any mrantie ntem say no access to information any madam fu bi e vanessa sentweni wo bono ami monidi o si chance kura say kura mama traditional media for ye bre what say what wa na joy for afro na UTV for afro enti ade na sikintapon muhu ya na we regional correspondent o say abrewa kura kwa we journalist
bibia obi abecha
ni camera share ni bottom o twa no the commentary ta ho enti time na we enjoy monopoly me see o de opa mi ka say Kopis FM say ya ko hwe mu Facebook live kan ni na nam thousands and it me to da no mo nam 200 170 yes. It tells you, say, you can business are mine not building for all these years. It would to me for political affiliation. And my man, and bringing it down. And I know me, say, fix the country demonstration. Nam Rantian and Mabawa, freedom fighters, one, HAC Peace FM, UTV for.
But it was very bad.
I was saddened. With my dear by. Yes, see a Brantia back on a man, your some year de. I ask man is on my report to fix the country demo. Me do fix the country national. No man nanti abedu adabraka first traffic. Nam de me car ma Gilbert. And I'm me camera na jambi DHD. And I'm also me report to be. Abrantia no be hunu kan say nipa omo ho honom ye nipa 1000 plus. Converging point no baby almost started the mono or brass sport. No what me awe nyame ani maka chom say nipa ho 100. Enti say mabufo ye den e bai. Na mo 19 no mo adwena amaso. To ombedu baby ombe deliver statement na crowd no bopping so no. Afa de meti say me kura de na me gina Independence Act nanim. Meti say nsuo toto gidi adan ya say freedom fighters no youth no say Peace FM for ni adum UTV for nya day. In fact me condemn me can say it shouldn't happen anywhere. Media house be betimi na wonya adwene but ensesa wo de mrasha wonsem sa wo se ne media house no nya also hunu say wo abuse obi anasa wo attack obi violently is against our constitution. Intermediate
face the country
and also can face the country and say esa wo de mraye den eye adwuma and we here say and no any circumstance na esa wo attack journalists because one wonya adwene e particular decision bi anasa one wo argue e bibi ho and to fix the country no ade ba ko amani anye ho. But back to the project fix the country. Me ma to Captain Smart for. Me see a pomo the credibility can sama won kan bi. Nti onyai man crofo anya omo fix the country. And he said, oh, there be Ogunsa wa chiame. Captain Smart gunsa abosum bi antie. Nananum kra bu befu no. Be pu. Now ye penipa manaka grima sama Captain Smart on qualify kra so o kan bi. Oh. Yes. But me pese me save no enne me pese obey subject. Okatechi I don't have problem with him. Why consistent?
Okay, say
but me yam me den say Okatechi kasa me me MPP ni.
Yeah.
Captain Smart. Say your mama and Fira Konya so anka Captain Smart and can't say so MPP ni da. Hey, your mama bro. Your mama. Wa bre na no me Kumasi ami bay me kwa ye wo anka we kwan so kro bi e friend nkroma nkwanta. Bibia ni road. Na mi turu aferi no kabisu. Me hwe hospital adan a security tia no soldier for hospital no na me hwe adan a security for tia no na ya gi fence o na ya ka kwan di street light ayedan akuso akosi enye sa fe ne ye be ye kwan o ya ye kwan ye flower pot at the street light aguso na do ne nam se obie ifida road to dan baako obie dan to atuka afin kran ofa Kumase your mama bro na Captain Smart mu sin konso na katache free fabusi no hey when the fundamentals are weak when the economy becomes terrible the living condition will definitely expose you because I say omo beka say omo pejo mama akopa na chew
omo na kansa
we katache free for video
ono katache na kasa
one captain nyina ka say na no minister na do be dia any so omkopa jo mama chew
Captain Smart do be na nsani bu ha na no adin dodo
oh tio maka kira mo say mamo fa Captain Smart nkan journalist wo mo ye credible ho
okay
me be so respond na me ni ko si ani one on one na me kira ni date when any ne minim fa no sebi me tie what so obi a chiba ko police station say ma wi ade da enti obi a wo no o track record a wo de related to Mabu azani ade de ye preach equity a wo kwota akire na atie bi wo nsam bon
moving forward
what do you say and to fix the country no emrante ne right sa aban na so fix it hwe aban busi a wo gie bebrebe ni ade ni nyina no lofty me pesa me de adesrede to nanado anim ne nkrofo a wo bunu ano omun kanche na obunu is obeduru o say election 2020 buru is for na anya ade na umodi mmoso akatua na omunya no ho no
o the chairman na me ne o hwe eye honorable Adu Abia o say MDCs ne MP ni bia some conflict bi
o oboa MMDCs ye koto aba 2020 bisa o regional minister no na MC wa na do amfa common fund 1 cedi kura amre omo October to December 2020 1 Ghana cedi na do amfa amre MMDCs no so omo mfa nyem puntunyuma omo tweska me I won't falter any MPP MMDCs omo end of work at the end of 2020
okay
the government was so wicked on them bossy attitude to be any I am free SHS I am magic ni nyina common fund statutory payment I am mandatory say aban bia no afi bia na say compre 9 na sabi yadru Christmas yadru election time head of security committee district municipal metropolitan ono common fund no need the sika ba also control pa ediye ni mpuntu jumadi operations no one for sika na nko how do you blame him
yes
it is oya regional chairman na betra obi ani bottom nyo head e twa ntini holiday na etwa MC free petrol say bunu anom ne ahafo any bunu is MC for petrol ka mo de chenkure petrol and filling station na say ban ne insensitive wo kotoka abre MMDCs diesel car si ho na oni Osvani akoshe dem ma yekululu na makwa akoto petrol car e di abre this assembly to say banda bosumi ni nyina timi wie no raise revenue 10,000 Ghana IGF sunyane kra de obenya na na abra dwom o ti ase obenya na na busuma dwom anya na na yima dwom ajeje nkakra but rare consequences how do they survive and in another way bro is one a modern mono replica and a copy ho okay young fan say to abawi so and now August 9 right we are in the second month in the third quarter in 2020 first quarter na end March second quarter na end June third quarter no end September next month.
Yeah.
Nana do dankwa emfa common fund emba still.
Say you need MMDCs.
Why na see any bi?
No more here.
Omo to no mo yenua.
No more here.
Any mo nkofie because as long as onim so omo te ho no e see etu omo ka boso mi bia. Onim MC akatu aboso me ebro 100 million.
Wow.
Oh yes, ebro 100 million. We don't have to hide this. Ebro 100 million. And to question me be say enne University Teachers Association of Ghana was strike because of Omaka PNTO. President, what is wrong with our president? Ye to the extent say bola to okura hetua. Na ni masresem. Na no ye nanti free circle eba bedu Independence Square. Minu ya pure water nsu amano manya rubber amfa ntum.
That's me.
Friends, that's been manya bi amfa madi antum. Onim say many bars when you do independence, oh, I had the heart of government, independent ni na Accra Sports Stadium ni, independent ni na Osu Castle ni. When you say Office of the President na Neso, na Neso Castle. You do Ghana Independence Square, that's been anyhow. Ade the ball legum ba ku crazy.
And it is honorable Henry Coty in Chess had news.
NTC you can't face the country. Bola tax na ya jia bedroom no. Yentimi mfanto that's been. It tells you that there is no leadership in this country. Usro so beka. There is no leadership.
Your president.
Muntimi nko tom. Na se fa kan na sabro no ti petroleum a wo didie.
Obasa at least
ayekane de Japan ayekane de Japan etoda metiwa no aye so emotional as Osuma MPP grassroots form. Me say no, Kennedy does not represent the grassroots. People don't know. Na niema unu ni se Ghana ha no. Obi mo kasa de bia but ebinu mo no mo a omo nta nye research into niema bim ansa o makasa. When na ye reliable person also ye fair. Oh, Becca say yemfa Parliament Committee on Security ye lobby o. Ni Becca say committee ye lobby no trofo. Me kofi ombuku ni bi na dama ni mi. Omo file ni omo yi ni kura me no. Omo jota ni ade. Ye lobby for the committee chairman and ranking ni ade nyina lobby. And when also sympathizing with Ghana for even within Parliament to MPP ni bi o committee papa bi ani ho da so. Oh, bet you be useless. Be cry young omunji papa. Omunja 3 times in a fiaso. Well, mum prioritize. Yes, as I can say here. But Defense and Interior Committee, a very sensitive committee.
Very sensitive.
And we MP. What's our committee, no? Boy chairman by Ghana gas about the Didio. What's I jack home? I'm a one growth for the neck, so we are the and you know, almost say. Oji allowance or Ghana gas. Oji allowance, a friend saying, Interior and Defense
Committee.
What's your salary? How about the country and say, oh, you're fair. You cry for the grassroots. And the young father don't know about what was silver muno. Young father says, oh, said the opposite, and you say, oh, dear, oh, get a grassroots for now, and I mean, you come back from Ghana gas or mobile chairman. Oh. And to me, dear, Kwame Sefa issue media too, but fix the country message na you to no man. Yeah, Bosiana na bono me ejini say, omuvu Bosiana enko the areas are o invest sikano omua. Lofty sikano betimi de adwuma ama emabunu no. But the dangers are you facing and ne me yemwa shimene say. Sika twetwere die about $500 million I do are planting for food and job no ayeka. Say government in oni afuo ba akompo. Hey, and somewhere bano. Minua and somewhere ebobo bano. Mo bebo mu nsama de nyame ase. Wonim say yellow means ashoto. Abro yellow no. I shot you, but we were made to believe, say, your buffer stocker.
Buffer stocker is chairman na Yadiaman and a bee.
Oh, yes, Ebiania Buso, and any amo ajedino. When him say a brobu move from early this year, echo 100%.
Wow.
Oh, yes. near poultry farmers and Elkodoma, poultry farms with the Unimo, Yatutum, Meboa.
Yes.
Kumasi na mifi bay. Former National President, Poultry Farmers Association. Ozire, Abani Baba Moma Betrasia, Omra Mo Montrasio. Na railing animals for the and then jobs in the idea no. Also a person can't know Mranti and Cromo Monocrano. Omom the contract among no Muntia Muka. Enti Mranti and J. Jumano. To be agreeing is a buying ya Kukobi. Sikano or the Koda on a Sikana see and nano pay ya.
Wow.
On a Komapa radio.
Former.
And I was shocked. Also by Santimentema and Tossom you know about Tossomiansa. A bank yemu. But I'll catch that by any say. Say planting for food and jobs in near more the Beura ono. Atija. But baby hunye. One more supply fertilizer near the Omokao. Fertilizer no so. One more coffee no. About cotton our Burkina. Minister and so no muko no who's up ponko. Eso.
Media general for our part.
Oh, Minia. Munya who no. Oh,
that's a media general part.
Me obet me akwa ikrata e me come materials this year. NPP Minister Chief Executive for that constituency no district no. All three party executives so omo ye thief. Because almost small girl are there no. But some person who say media reportage no. The admission of the minister's part say almost small girl fertilizer no. We admit it and I admit it. Minister na admit it. Why do you say almost small girl? Yeah. Fertilizer and some ko je omo party for. Some Minister of Agriculture for no control. Come on ye ekoso no. Masa, there is more to it. Say me come fertilizer no koy omo fa so ewiegu. Fertilizer na ye ton odwanum botonum bi omkoye potono dodo na planting for food and job fertilizer mbo mo hwie agum akwa akoton wo stores mbo Ghana a ubesu bi cost oh minia me say omo ya aware omo anadeko and the point is sikana jomama kwaji free Canadian government ho so the ba be modernization of agriculture for fi antwata ofiri akonwa so ma na akufo adobae no Oba no wasan kwaji bi account say e ko 500 million. Ya ade no. Onim say yes ye ko kra bro.
Gande ko kra bro.
Yeah.
Since started that bay.
Go phone so. Ye ko kra yero means ni bi. Abebo feeding of our poultry farm. Go wa feeding so. Ye ko kra bro ne Ghana ba bia ya duru no. Now, year 2018, when is a Ghana kwaji bro ECOWAS? Ghana kwaji bro ECOWAS almost baby almost store money ema. Everybody say you be kwa kotua enya bia na yenso na sabre yense a shorty. So propaganda no ensevu abai no fix ministers no krampo ministers na nye. And to fix the country no minua se hospitals na yesi egu obebrebe no aban complete na youth ndodo na engage yesi akra dia ehu masa tu adane chewingam gan Kumasi enye tu adane chewingam youth no udru no ma because a frustrated youth gang bi akoye nsemunu bi obedi omachi akoye den akoye enti aban no make sure say working space no we biem certain time this hospital e sha say adwuma second ngo this hospital e sha say adwuma Tepa hospital na say e sha say adwuma taxi driver for gina be benefit omo obi anso be generate revenue e be boa hwe 37 military hospital na Kumasi no onim say referral center ka ho enkrofo be free Ivory Coast Burkina na de on ba they pay in dollars economy no be den e be kosoro what you say? Nurses no, health technicians no, any medical assistants ni, doctors ni, omo aka nyina nso, obi benya ba bia ye den aye adwuma. Aferi hospital omo mani nya adwuma. Omo nko complete kumawu this hospital omo ade a say ye adwuma na mrante nya engagement ene mbaba no. As a sa ban open working space. Hwe Accra data center na esi ono. Onim se nipa omo ye mu adwuma, direct and indirect. Ombru nipa 500. Accra data center. Wow. Me chiro sama me chiro baby Bununi bia obefiri sunya akodu nkran bia no enye yira kwan ofa interchange no Dubai interchange circle de na wura VIP station wa sa bibi kama na ewo nsanifa so no ne ba omi ade je ne ho nsamra ne Accra data center ne digitization ina na himfie ni ho jo mama na yeye obia no eno odigi Ghana say be ya digital system no ebe koso. This is what we call governance. Nipa no mubu faso enti nana I just want him to create something I am real. Shut Napkofo uni so muni senate.
Yeah.
Is it not dangerous to be working for over 5 years, sir? Yeah, my own country.
But way
me both
over. Who baby the
Minia, the danger and say step over shouldn't be more than 5 years.
You need to say
obviously September renewal na the same cycle. Obviously September omo here permanent. Because I won't say Omedi Article 71 bill no call parliament rather than man fan up could ye any kind of no. Almost salary in some MPs no. I don't know man up could ye moment be kind. I thought the Yamra recommendations.
Okay, parliamentary committee report on Sputnik V procurement deal no so. Na Yamati for na me offer there's any tirim song.
Maza
Offer there.
Member
of parliament is no.
Offer you know.
Also there son so.
Say obi kobo kro no de bi ba fia ye dey ambabo no ho ban.
Kobo kro no.
Tie me.
Kro no pa de omo bi.
Offer de kwagwo agima manu a abusu asem ti bi a wontimi nkase ye nyina di.
Dabi.
Ba se nko ye adwuma o kingdom. And now you're founder of Kingdom no boss abra na nka wapam no. Me the Kingdom analysis. Dr. Kingdom baby I will be a mechiao. Timin fa de so ti kroma. Wo na hwe Kingdom FM so. Right?
Me too.
And now we hear konso. Yay.
Me too.
Ye ton konso wa abisim. I feel better and say o programs manager say. Konso na ye ton abisim no. O kotobi. O manager so okoto konso ni bi o na mom konso na wo kwa akoto no wa konkonese ma bi o takrade wo di sika akoma no konese ma na o meto konso ni bi ma mo wo sunyane abesim sa programs manager we over man atrenjum Dabi me yes or no answer na me bi sa me say ye to konso wa abesim unim store na ye to konso no wom ne boa ye 10 Ghana city o te adomo twen say o programs manager be kwa bisima koto konso aba o bi say programs manager wa ya o se me watakrade wa ma ne takrade o se me ko po bi o ba be to konso e wa bisima ma ye in fact enzo se bu yi na dikeko e se mo sa de mo nsake kan no ka ho
dabi no say wa na aka say obi
ye nyese de dabi we de atra so se de nsake kan no etu of kogu agima manu lofty ma mi say say Ghana ye ni consulate anase ye ni rep or Russia. Your Russia rep, right? And it's a Ghana airpay amokampo na plane any part of Russia. The first yehu website bisu ana company ni dia. The first point of call why your representative for Russia. Kona Korea say company ya also to elu plane and pass oton. Company na also oton Sputnik V no am pass oton quantities do say no betimi dia man nyansa ni mu ana enti se kwagwajima manu say wentimi amfre Ghana ye rapper or Russia name oko Dubai ene ko hu shake they say to shake himself fu bi o ka kire Ghana man no na o de ebekye no sa shake no shake for munya ya ha okro man mo wako Dubai ko hu shake say shake free Dubai nkoto Sputnik or Russian family. Lofty. When they believe in prudent management, or they accepted this trash, Sebi, as some fun way, or Baba Kanton, I think. Yet, why shake he say, Ghana for Sere committee folk who no cry no muka, Ghana for can shake his supply no intimate. Kwakwaji mama enu ama ya nti says oh more Ghana ka baby ya unpia ka bia. Say 60 million no ade ne yesen.
Ma wo hwe de ona bo se chairman se be tunu ma.
Oh dabi onu de money di money tea. There be money tea. Onu committee ni kuro nka ho.
Ano say.
Tie me.
Onu say.
Who him say?
Onu go kwa dwumanu anhu. Sise ko ya payment bi a wo.
Who for the case ni ya say? Who for the case ni say there? Minister responsible for health. Minister responsible for health. Yakwa kotua 16 million Ghana dimu. Wa hunu.
Was it he was not aware of any payment?
Mama nsama chairman sa wa be say asem no. Let me tell you one this. Eno krampo na ese wo fanka so ofan bag to am fie. Ese ya GMP no kra free nsem. Tie.
Ya to aba na man.
Oh, dabi. Wa good no man ni masse picture. Wa go saje fo ni masse. Doctor ba bia obi amechia. Na office ba no akoyesi.
We offer de bia me ne offer danso etwe so offer they don't go there.
Enyo.
Wa ya de pa.
Offer onya de say. Onya de say so free Ghana consumer obi o Dubai so nko yi no onya akira de kakra ba dom a. Obeya de sika bi wonu ma ya mo hwe ba bi efiri enye se mo no de ma mo but niema na waye no enye me wo bono unim MPP aba we buy no opa bisa omu a omanya appointment including ansoma kireme lawyer de kura de sa tem o chama na me ne ti ado anoma so ni enchi ampo but me swear say no appointee of this government o firi bono mem and me de man no beta no but this level of negligence, you know. Ultimate man metamani of the who of a dinner mammy go. Near me, person, me catch one. Ghana for than a kumaso. And to be a white chair. Public Accounts Committee. What himself was said, charging directors, baby.
Yes.
Any national directors are more responsible, baby.
No crepa.
Be crowd my police for a day. Ebem. Enti nipa na wa chair Public Accounts Committee no eba parliamentary procedure na onim say ukoye multilateral a friend saying transaction bia it must go to parliament sabi MP or ko first time kura na ye kan sa asem na kire no enti kokwaji mama nu say o twa na na Akufo Addo boy and o twa ono an parliament so ye the a boy because that transaction ukoye a uhia advice of the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Yeah. Emma who legal way nyina no ode ma. Kwakwaji mama nu so wa abo na Akufo Addo amane. Wa more parliament amane.
But na say me say Attorney General so clear the back be two just
advice. O tu omo fotie no mantie.
Tie no mantie.
Ato enti who of our nitro.
Who of our nitro.
There's over 500 trofo no kwafo.
Nitro because make us say
who of our advice Attorney General advice no. Okay. Day and Oko engage shake no. So
Ghana for send ye
Debbie was Ghana for being Tio, who of an level of incompetence and Atra Bridge. Tie, Lofty, a dear Kokwaji Mamma no. I see you or more Maria body and go come the prison now. Sir, or fan who dear. I see a beer prison pro no be a pay. Why not? I don't know, beat me, ma. Shake no crass on your brand here. O timbaji Ghana 16 million. Ni a kachira wo be no mi anu se contribute 200 cedis na yem fancy cathedral. Unsenyansa binim. Excuse me, I no po. But love to me dinyami di Islam na no pese sa asem me yem fa ni agro. Anya sa ye ma we kwa obi anso baby. Chairman Tiejako mampani anka so misleading no.
Yes.
Eno kura Chairman Tiejako so wa mislead obia. Boache Ejako. Also wa mislead obia. But the executive secretary to the president onu na de nsa secretary ase masa $700 million enko bu Ghana for no. On na de sha ase ma o ma presidential go ahead. Emma Ameri no nko mu di bi ye den ekwa akoka ho. Enti e den ena ba mampani se wa mislead no ye yi onu adi. Where the ono asa ma mom mampanyina mane ono da so te office obi age akira de obi age akira de bi o baabi
o chechire
mampani chamate boache ja ko obi anu so mo ye no sacrificial goat ne on be kan nye na na e nokore enka wa misleading mampani with the tune of $700 million When him say deceive public officer a crime.
Yes.
I don't think about charge akutifi. Ye prosecute Banche Crawford. Banche Crawford. Kubaji any court. So on the document akwaji Skabu assembly. Can kure say sikanu kure enru say enru 5,000 as 10,000. Oh. And no crap for more court. Nani and they involve 16 million, $700 million momentum fee. It tells you Zimbabwe doesn't believe in fighting against corruption. And Minia, Kwakwajima Menua Diana Wayeno. This is the other side. One more parliament amane etiamra. One kind cabinet etiamra. Enti de hini yamfa ncheno de yi ba akoma me yamfa de ncheno. Yamfa ni na ncheno. Wonim say ne me yan ne. Wonim say ne me yan say. Our opinion. Maybe opinion. Wonim say ne me yan say shake no. I try bre and say. Yeah, apply for your sika na be di no. Na mo apply na fi. Masa. Shake no sika na. Wa ba beji every one for now wo so onye money no no. Shake ni say Ghana man tire application. Na apply. Obe peden what in kro no offer 16 million na ma no. On sire wo. O see you apply. But the most dangerous one Amiba studio a PA na mo say. Or person Ghana moment terminating the contract. Now just one judgment then. Ha! Eti Ghana ya fosa. Shaking here fast. But hurry up. Offer eya de bi ma me de che no. But near why ye kire say o sheda e na opu Ghana. Oh, Debbie. Yeti Kroma no ko. Debbie tio. Health ministry why na supervisor. Ono. COVID-19 no fight no why na supervisor. Ono. Enti who of a call vetting committee ko hwe nyame anim. I can say Nigerian company na otikotoka eji Ghana for ma omufra brochire by $150 each. Less than 6 months. Otimia raise less than 1 year. Omatimia raise your friend is saying about $18 million. No mama Ghana 1 million. No ma fasikana edinyina no offer so wani. Bisa and vet you say onim kwan a omofa so ye den. Eho na mi di. David you me ba eho na mi di. Ye NDC, ye MPs no ebi ho yaw. That one I won't hide it. Okay. Because time akwakwaji mama no can say as health minister onim Nigeria ni na all just have onye onim say ye the sa opportunity ma medilab ene nana H lab and omo kan say nana H lab ye the more I tell you say omo lab no ebe ye international one. Okay. Yeah, fight COVID-19 enye no Gucci na start fight boy. Yeah. Enye when na start fight boy KNUST ene fight boy enka ye mo kwan no omo kwan sa set up no Kotoka International Airport na $150 no ye ntua mo no Gucci omo expand omo facility no omo tim na bia bi osunyan. And what is so special about the Nigerian friend na SS omo man sa contract on your health related program daw. And to onu akohan nkrofo and omo ba be testing na man. What is so special about that man? And at the end of the day, Minister of Health who of a court na committee anymore or say onim any ebisa so okay so unim so a say ebia ukoye lab uye HIV test uye hepatitis B ukwa list ne obi ane ne boa meboa dia no mo de assess ye ana hwan ana boa emo mo determine the price a mo je $150 e ko 1,000 Ghana cedi so what you say ko dollar ne 590 plus and na black market is 6 yeah. It me van say 800 Ghana cedis. And nkrofo pure nipa baako. Lady be free UK ban of frame nkola 3 kan nkola o. Omji obia $150 nkola no. Wow. Oba time bi ne band e peche o. No awo no. Omji akora keto no $150. Enti se sasika we timi ma Ghana 18 million. Onim se Ghana nyina timi ko wo bosia $10 million. Enti si etimi raise 18 million Kotoka International Airport. Nese nipa no di mu $1 million per Emma Airport Company Limited. Unse o kan kire se Ghana for ye nkwasiafo sebe. Nese who of an supervising such ministry. Usi yemfa boni we nyina nche na enye ye ka say your personal opinion so wo sere say yemfa nche no
me personal and that's
but eni agisi ye bia sunya prisons ema banche body kronfo eni abe kronfo ni nyina eni omom tu bottom 200 Ghana ye bia no omupie because I won hear say ye do omoto ho and again
na udi si amam na atiefo nso
interior minister transport minister finance minister national security minister omu nyina ko ya omu so omu nim kwan a sa Nigeria ni no ekotena airport a
omu do wasam ye ba ko pe
o dwene wo fa ho omu so omu nim kwan a sa Nigeria man no kotena airport a oji $150 no my brother etoda amoma ye ma bi mompam ye na munya kokodro for once na monhwe microphone nanim na mon discuss ye leaders no said ya ebifiti omo sa monso mo betena na kwaji NCA dia untimi nka
men kwaji NCA
what you say but I tell you say obetimi do platform we asesa ne ma bebre but anya sa na e kodi say ya na say minister bi atimi sorry ekotena sabi eka asem we kire omanfo say lofty yanyi nia brother ye be do $400 million answer ebi aban we afira ban mu but ebe kwa akodi wo fadom botom say shake no
on fa esi camera
yes no on fa esi ye ni ba bi ote but application sem no dey ba no any say yem twa the contract mu no no anya kwan ye den akwaji judgment debt no sabi attorney general wa me aboka $170 million for work no done now no mu gina Collins that day she say why face we see 1,500 housing unit wa boga na ka ya born 57 charges obi amagana one room ya boka $170 million I want to rate and support so be differ
quickly my main focus
na offer so oferia dia eso no free ministry o
mama and now
but the ogidie say here na be pam ne this week
oh
yes no ogidie we dia na de be gini din
nkasa
o offer be ba fie
nkasa
oh na de be gini din
nkasa na bi men fa mo afre for na no quickly 02454129360302959326 quick uba papa tietie mu na ye ko hello good morning yentio
topic no onka bi twele mane manka bi can national insurance lofty
hello good morning
bi emuma agofo tie bi
e ba che froze na aga sa era ni entio
hey
communication director chaza ko nyame embo no ombai na beka no na djuma pa oboma NDC president Nando ne ni rubu fisika oba siwenya ndi dia ba no baba ye achese omudi ya kiyan for bro
ai na e ba sunyan ne oba sunyan ne da ben dia no oba oba be de sunyan sia
and I say Aaron hello good morning Mbacho dini baby akaza fini Sando Mbacho ntieti mi abra ne kopa ndi
Airport time oh min kaza bi nene I'm sorry you na mu ka go say mu Ghana for be kra abroad ya ba abe support
Ura ko wana na kansa
mbacho otele gogo mbacho uye sa adwuma na na wanye
migusu ame ye minwie
o say MP before na donate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Wadia Kaumupa. Almost person for food and job for what they were growing on Bajo. That person for food and job for Muka and Bodiana near Manamana.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who did it, baby? I can say, the man, Chetia.
Endi to for you, woman para dia cara. Woman para dia, woman para dia to say. Woman say, yeah, pan of course, yes, different drop. Yeah, that to me, no crack down drop, and the crack check, and the day in drop down, correct, and no crack check. Oh, anything to me, kind of correct, Lana, a good part of Ghana president. Can come Ghana, ha, never to Ghana president.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I told you, baby, I can say, Frimpon, ain't you? And I'll pay.
Mr. Tataku worked for a boy to my papa. I mean, Coaching was standing telling me about family center. Look, we just the boss. The bed is on the cars and another don't cook for it. If they get down, could do so. If I'm quoting my mind, that's in that burn. Look, you know, I will be a family. Ghana, poor United, and son of Britain, and another don't quite yet, you want. Now you'll be a set project and turn it to the party. What you can't go and then one sit now in the Palos, yeah, and at the end of the day, another don't go for a man more piano. If I begin to give it, poor,
hello, good morning.
Okay.
If I told you, baby, I can say,
how to find a new Catafru.
How do you enter?
I mean, boss, regional communication officer, Papa, any Kata, let me tell you, Mr. Boa, Ishana, open in Sabeka. Corruption, when you're corrupt, another one fall. Because PPE, youth authority, card for seat, after Robbie, box, part 1 and 2, 3 minutes forward, after the queen, 250 times, era, acquisition, million, another one Catano, corruption, when you're corrupt, all found the corruption, no, what's the corruption, no, the corruption, no, the other name for power.
Thank you very much. Last caller. Hello, good morning. Udi, and I'm baby, I can say free. Hey, what far ain't you?
You look, the old minister, on our question, Mommy Cherry is good. Now, communicating to you now, now, Lord, I never buy now, another big girl can say, obviously, we'll fight corruption. You know, no, we are Ghana now. I check the family money, not the money. Woman would say, corruption are all fighting. It is the truly not been all fighting corruption. Now, that another or Sophia or corruption or any year, Sophia or buyer all fighting against illegal money. Sophia or buyer, what's never far. Who is this? Never 1 year, but corruption. And I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? Why? Now, what the school of parliament.
Mammy Nancy, thank you very much. I think that we are done. I don't can't say you know actually. Yeah, for sure. You was already buy a crash. Quickly, now you're sorry now. None of pay the ladies man. And I have been taking over now.
Lottie, we didn't say we are can say. Offer. A video of a fee. Mentia me
from Ponka, not here.
Mentia me, media message me with GPA on an answer a few way the enquired and a baby.
What's in your friend?
Ah, Davio, what they are winning more of a yenity. Near Science Man Dubai. On one of this can come out shaking. They say shaking is a gun and application. One first put me vegan hamburger. Was he a side application? Magic Sikana. What was shaking a buya kata? One for Daruma. Was one moment penina mania. One more parliament mania. Entinio or no. Or the idea see no on one in baby. And of Aquaku, for minister of health not all. 16 million no. Our dear man shake his anti-abridge Dubai letter. Say a application letter, Meji Jessica. And now say, either option say in trying to contract him no. No responsible government. And a better tolerate say, nipa or supervise sa wicked transaction no but kingdom analysis na be here no catch o manager say o koto microphone ye turn na bisim na wa frɛ connection man bi water crowd so o meto na bisim ma so o be ka se sa bet na here adwuma bi ma mi judgment na aka no magana for
na be judge ba me dey end na we jina no kokko adwuma manu achi or a member of parliament
oh David ofru krom tinu beta na chi na be na to corruption ase enyem wa say be kakra na ukura appointment or health ministry wo kwa bi se fa ka akire kwan